Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to set customized ringtone in Infinix Note 11s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open Chrome browser, then click New tab. Then you need to search zedge.net. Now you can open the page. Now there are several ringtones, customized ringtone available here. You can play or preview that. If you want to set this ringtone, click on that and click continue on browser. Then click download and wait for 10 seconds. Then the ringtone is downloaded to the phone. So you can see who can it be now. The ringtone name is. Now we need to navigate into settings. Then swipe up and you need to click sound and vibration, then swipe up, then choose sim 1 or sim 2 ringtone. So the default ringtone is available here. You need to click add ringtone at the bottom, then you need to click on audio download. So this one is a downloaded ringtone. Now the ringtone is displayed here. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.